Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to message someone on Nintendo Switch. Alright, let's begin. First of all, load up your Switch and navigate to System Settings. Then, from System Settings, go to Internet and select Internet Settings. Here you'll be able to find your Wi-Fi connection. So select your Wi-Fi and then choose Change Settings. Now on the next page, scroll down until you've got the DN settings. And then, change the DNS mode from automatic to manual. When you do so, you'll get two options for DNS, primary DNS and secondary DNS. So just head over to primary DNS, change its value to this one, and click OK. After setting up the primary DNS, save the settings. Now, go one step back, connect to your network, and it'll then say registration is required to use this network. This is no problem as this is the intended procedure for messaging. Simply tap on Next and then select the plus icon on the top right corner. Then you will need to create a new profile specific for this application. On the next step, select the account icon, enter the required name, and your account will be added. Once done, select Create Account and then enter the required information. After the profile is added, you will be redirected to your profile page. Here, you will need to note the friend code of your account and then get to the Add Friend feature. Inside it, select Search Friend with Code and enter it in the empty field. Next, your friend will start appearing in the friend list from where you can message them. So that's basically how you can message someone on Nintendo Switch. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.